Hello and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip with Dave Casuto at SF Tech Training here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the if statement. This will be a nice little basic introduction to working with logical formulas. In this case, it's going to be if, and future formulas and future videos, we're going to show you how to do other kind of ifs like count if and sum if and nested ifs and a few of those other things. So let me just give you a quick little introduction to how this works. So the best way to really understand it is to deconstruct what we already have. So our goal here is to say, hey, if something exists, then yield a certain value or variable as a result of that, or even possibly a message. In this case, we're trying to figure out, based off of somebody's job rating, should they get a bonus? And if so, how much is that bonus going to be? All right, so if we deconstruct this formula, we're going to see here we have equal sign if, very simple. And when you click on here, you'll notice that Excel is good enough to give us this little cheat sheet down below. So we're going to go over that to show us what exactly this is telling us. So it's saying, hey, if H3, which is this number 5 here, is greater than or equal to the number 4, then we want to have something happen. So this is our first if thing. They're calling this a logical test. Now when I click on this, it's saying, okay, if that does exist, if that is true, what should happen? And it's saying here, well, I want to multiply G3 times 5% to tell me what in fact that percentage of their bonus is going to be, right? So, but if they didn't get lower, you're going to see that that's going to be the next part here. The value if false, there'll be no bonus. Okay, so very clear, you can see logical test. Value if true, value if false. So let me go ahead and hit escape out of that. You can see 60,981 times 5%. It shows that they got 3,000. Now, because it's only because their score, their job rating, was greater than or equal to 4. So let's go ahead and do this together. You can see how Excel gives us some nice little hints. I'm going to show you how we can also apply it to the cells down below. I'm going to hit equal sign, if, hit the tab key on my keyboard. That's a nice little tip there. And that capitalizes and it also puts in open parentheses. So if this is greater than or equal to 4, then, and notice how the cheat sheet appears, it says, okay, then do what? I'm going to multiply this times this. Okay? Now, I'm planning on applying this to all the other cells below. I'm going to be doing an autofill, which a lot of you probably already know about. But because of that, I need to make that H1 what's known as an absolute reference. So the keyboard shortcut for that is just an F4 on my keyboard, and then it just go ahead and it does that. Okay, so that's pretty nice. Or you could just simply type in those dollar signs if you want. So I'm done with that. So now I need to hit comma on my keyboard, and then say, okay, well, the value of false, I'm going to say, in quotes, no bonus, no bonus, and close it out. And there you have it, exactly what we saw before. Okay, so again, breaking that down, you can see everything we have here. Now, let me go ahead and apply this to the rest of them. I'm going to simply double click right here, and that does an autofill. And you can see all the ones that are 4 and above have bonuses, and all the ones that are below, no bonus, no bonus, no bonus. Okay, don't worry about these errors. Basically, it's telling us that these are unprotected formulas. Okay, so that you might not see that in your practicing. Okay, now in future lessons about ifs, because there's a lot we can do with if functions, we can, if you look at this, these tabs down below, you're going to see that we could do nested ifs, a lot of stuff around that, right? You can see some more things, compound ifs, right? More things, if and or. Okay, we can do ifs, plural. You can do count ifs. There's so much you can do on this. So stay tuned for future lessons on ifs. I'm going to be doing a whole series of these, and hopefully that'll help you out. And please contact us through our YouTube channel or through my LinkedIn page. And let us know if you have any requests or questions or anything like that. And please subscribe if you like this video, if you want to see anything else. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.